So here we are at Red Cliffs Lodge. It's about 20 minutes out of Moab, and we are going to go horseback riding in the beautiful Red Cliffs. Now, John and I are admittedly, and we've told the wranglers, not horse people. We also know the horses know when you're not a horse person. So we will be on foot and on horse. Guaranteed a horse is gonna know John's fear of horses. I think you have a little bit more fear. And so the horse is probably gonna mess with John a little bit. So we look forward to that.
I might be jogging next to the horse.
Yeah. Doxy, it's okay if you're lazy today. Be as lazy as you want. We'll just move little bits at a time.
We usually keep around 30 horses here at all times. We do 2 horseback rides a day, and we take up to 16 to 20 people. But we take people out in this beautiful canyon right out of Red Cliffs Lodge here.
It's a great spot to be, and a great place to meet people from all over the world and show them what the Wild West is all about.
No, see that? I don't like that. I don't like that.
He'll be just fine. Just put your foot in there.
Oh! Wow! Oh! So graceful. Hello, Doxy. Oh, no, I wasn't going anywhere. He senses me. This is good. This isn't good. I just rode the horse. I went 5 feet backwards, and that was it. Time to get off. Walk my happy ass down this trail.
So here we are.
This is how our adventures usually end.
Yeah.
Abandoned in the middle of a creek. Everyone with the horse was like, forget it, forget these guys. So we're standing in the middle of this creek.
Which feels really good, by the way.
It does feel really good. Although the horses seem very nice, everyone seemed to enjoy themselves.
Yes.
Obviously the scenery is very good in Moab.
It's unbelievable scenery.
We're done with this. We're gonna go back to Moab, we're gonna get something to eat, and then we're gonna go mountain biking. So, let's go.
Tonight we went and we rode on the trail system at Dead Horse Point State Park. We start in Moab, so you get picked up and at the Moab Adventure Center, and we have bikes ready to go for you, built for your size, and there's a guide that'll be with you. It's really a great way to get out, really makes it easy. You know, it's like renting a bike with a little bonus. And it's just an absolutely spectacular trail system. And you just have these astounding views that you find all along the trail.
Chad, your helmet is
Oh yeah, you like that?
interesting choice there.
You know, they had this whole box of helmets, and they were all cool, fluorescent green, yellow, black. And I was like, saw this heart helmet on top, and I'm like, that is super cool.
It's got my new nickname for you on the front too, Nutcase.
Does it seriously say that?
It says Nutcase across the top.
So here we are in Canyonlands National Park. Ride this kind of funky little trail here. Oh, this could be interesting with a backpack and a bike on. And oh, Conti stalls out. Oh. We're not amateurs here, folks. We're professionals. Oh gosh! Okay, we are morons. This is a trail, as you can see. It's kind of rocky. And we have these rad full suspension bikes that if we weren't carrying this gear, it'd be fun to do. But along this trail right here, we're gonna get lots of awesome views of Canyonlands National Park and the ginormous, or as my daughter would say, enormous valleys here of red rock.
Okay, well, this is a beautiful mountain biking trail here in Canyonlands.
Not too tough. It's not too tough.
It's not
just
too
trail
tough.
specifically.
It's not too tough. Why did you even bring up it being too tough?
I said it's not too tough.
I wasn't even talking that it was too tough.
Go.
All right, nutcase. Chad right now doesn't even know what to say because he's just trying not to poop himself and he's trying not to barf. Life lesson, people. If you're gonna do anything strenuous, you're gonna ride your bike, you're gonna go for a run, don't eat a giant quesadilla before you do any of those things.
Giant.
It was a good sized quesadilla. It had thick cheese. The
Can we just finish
quesadilla,
this thing and talk about our awesome day?
it was an awesome day. All right.
Yeah.
Mountain biking, much more my style.
Sorry. I might not make it back. Please don't use that. Sorry, folks. Seriously.
Are you just farting in the middle of the outro? Come on!
You don't understand what's happening inside my body right now, okay?
I'm starting to understand. I'm starting to get a whiff of it.
Do not ride behind me.
You're dealing with professionals here, people. All right, to learn. Sorry, I can't. All right, to learn more about mountain biking in Moab or to book your own mountain biking experience, go to moabadventurecenter.com. Please subscribe to our channel for more adventures in Idaho, in places like Moab and beyond. Follow us on social media. If you have any questions for us, we'd love to see it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Dude, I can smell that out here. Ugh.